Imagine yourself in this 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include leather steering wheel, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, remote trunk release, variable speed intermittent wipers, cargo shade, aluminum wheels, and bucket seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.